I state your name. Do solemnly swear or affirm that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States against all enemies, foreign and domestic. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. And that I will obey the orders of the President of the United States. And the orders of the officers appointed over me. According to regulations and the Uniform Code of Military Justice. So help me God. Congratulations, Airmen, and welcome to World.
Thank you, Colonel Hardwick. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain standing as our newest airmen recite the Airman's Creed and remain in place for the departure of our official party. I am an American airman.
I am a warrior. I have answered my nation's call. I am an American airman. My mission is to fly, fight, and win. I am faithful to a proud heritage, a tradition of honor, and a legacy of valor. I am an American airman, guardian of freedom and justice. My nation's sword and shield, its century and avenger. I defend my country with my life. I am an American airman, wingman, leader, warrior. I will never leave an airman behind. I will never falter. And I will not fail!
Thank you. Please be seated.
I'd rather stand.
I know. I'm going to tape as long as it'll allow me to tape.
From the bleachers, from your left to your right, the first two flights will come from the 320th Training Squadron, Warrior Flight 429 and Honor Flight 430. The next two flights from the 321st Training Squadron, Warrior Flights 431 and 432. They are followed by Warrior Flight 435 and Flight 436 from the 323rd Training Squadron. Next are Warrior Flight 437 and 438 from the 331st Training Squadron. The last two flights from the 326th Training Squadron, Flights 439 and 440. Airmen in the State Flag Mast, Flight 433 and Warrior Flight 434 from the 331st Training Squadron will be released to their visitors at the equipment locker to your left after they secure the flags. Airmen in the Drum and Bugle Corps, Flights B449 and B442 from the 322nd Training Squadron will meet their family members at the north side bleachers near the equipment lockers after they have secured their instruments. Please be careful while exiting the bleachers and while moving onto the grassy areas. For your safety, we also ask that you refrain from climbing the guardrails and only use the stairs to exit the bleachers. All airmen